KCRG TV9 News at 10 starts now.
It's our product. It's our responsibility to grow it responsibly. And pesticide companies shouldn't be able to hide behind a label either.
That's what one Iowa farmer has to say about a bill the Iowa Senate passed, which would exempt pesticide companies from certain lawsuits. Now, the pesticide Roundup faced tens of thousands of lawsuits related to the main component, glyphosate, leading to more than $10 billion in settlements.
But KCRG TV9's Brian Tabak tells us those companies are also pushing hard to pass this legislation. Brian?
The bill says that warning labels approved by the EPA are good enough in warning people about the potential harms of pesticides, and those labels exempt pesticide makers from most lawsuits. But a farmer I spoke with says they should be allowed to sue these companies if the chemicals they sell hurt people.
We've used Roundup for many, many years.
Darin Lehman is a Polk County farmer and the president of the Iowa Farmers Union. Like many farmers, he's relied on pesticides to keep his crops healthy. But he also worries about the health effects that could come from these products that he's used for years.
You have to do your best to make sure that you're using it safely and effectively.
He says a bill that passed the Senate last week protects pesticide makers over farmers.
The EPA says it's good enough, then no one who allegedly gets hurt by it can sue us.
Darin Luneckas represents people who say chemical companies have gotten them sick. He says the companies have been linked to thousands of cases of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma.
We have to prove that the exposure to an ingestion of or exposure to the skin of the glyphosate over a long period of time, we prove that that caused the cancer.
Pesticide companies want this bill to become law and are spreading that message through advertisements like this one from Bayer.
Weeds reduce crop yields, so prices go up and everybody gets less to eat. But 50 years ago, farmers got a new tool to fight weeds: glyphosate. It kills weeds while protecting the harvest. Time and again, it has been approved by the EPA and by leading regulatory bodies around the world.
Lehman says pesticides are an important part of the work he does, but there needs to be a safe way to do it and accountability when something goes wrong.
Pesticides, yes, they're important. Yes, they can be really effective on the farm, but there are dangers associated with it.
Now, Iowa lawmakers are not the only ones looking at this kind of tort reform. Georgia lawmakers have passed a similar bill out of both the House and the Senate. It's now waiting for the governor's signature. In the studio, Brian Tabak, KCRG TV9 News.